Welcome to the video. Today we are talking about how we helped Jake, our client, make $100K from his personal brand in the first 6 weeks after launching his offer and his product. Jake already had a decent following, and we just helped him launch on top of that. I'm going to detail exactly how we did that and how it works. And if you're new here, my name is Nick. I am the owner of Launch Socials. I make these videos to help you get to $20K a month or more, up to $100K or more if you're ambitious. So let's continue. Jake did this, and we helped him without scamming people, without dancing like a monkey on TikTok, without selling or posting things that he didn't believe in, and without working 24/7 all the time on this. So for reference, Jake and I have been friends for a few years now. I was visiting, I was hanging out with him, and we were talking about how his brand and his business just was not producing the results that he wanted currently. And that's why I asked him, like, dude, what are you selling? Like, how's it going? Like, what's the deal? And he's like, no, I'm not selling anything. I really haven't sold anything in 6 months. I'm not sure what to do or how to do it or like what the offer launch should look like. And I've been trying to sell things, but it's just the momentum's not there and all of that. And for reference, he had 10K followers on Twitter, 10K on Instagram, and 1,000 people in his community and his email list. And he had run some in-person events successfully, but he was really lacking an offer that he could sell consistently day in and day out over and over. And I'll tell you how we built that offer in this video and also reattached that in-person event on the back end of it. And it just blew up and it happened successfully and he crushed it. Okay, so after a few conversations with him, I did convince him that he needed to do this right now. And I helped him build it and he launched it. And that's what we're covering right now. But before that, I just want to show you that this also works for other people. It's not just Jake. It's not just me. There are other people out there absolutely crushing it with this framework, this offer launch framework. There's Brooke, there's Miles, there's Jack, there's Belle, there's Rami, there's Anthony. I just grabbed a couple testimonials and results examples from people that I've helped and our company's helped. And in the rest of the video, you're going to see the launch process that these guys have used and Jake has used and I use every single time I launch a new product. So what is the process? First, I want to remind you, Jake already had that small following, and that small following is enough to make a ton of money, obviously and clearly. 10K on IG, 10K on Twitter is enough to go and make 100K in 6 weeks, okay? If you were trying to make money for your personal brand and you haven't posted content or you don't really have a lot of followers, you're not at least getting 1,000 new followers per month right now, it's probably going to be really tough for you, and you need to go do that first, okay? So I have step-by-steps of that on this channel. I have other resources for that, but you need to do that first before you can actually launch an offer. Obviously, you launch an offer second, and I'll show you why. We do that because you need to interview your audience. This might feel a little bit tedious, okay? It might feel a little bit like, oh, it's extra work. No, this is the right way to do it. Because what you want to do is you want to go to the audience and say, cool, I appreciate you for following me. Why do you follow me? What about me do you like? And what problems are you dealing with right now? What desires do you have? What can I help with? And you want to do this with at least 50 people. You go in the DMs, you get on like Zoom calls with them, you just talk to a bunch of people. And what you're going to do is you're going to discover their pain points, their desires, and what they view as the ideal thing that they would want to fix those problems and to have those desires. Like, what's the vehicle for it? And then you make a hypothesis and build a baseline version of that based on what these people say. So you take that feedback just like Jake did, define your offer, prepare a rough idea of what you're going to be selling, and begin the product creation process by making some of the assets you're going to need inside of that product. He sold a digital product. He sold it for $2,000. It was a course plus a community plus a call, and it had a framework that was like a course kind of thing all together, like a curriculum, okay? Then you soft sell it. So you go back to those people that just told you all their pain points, all their desires, exactly what would be perfect, and you just built that perfect thing. You say, hey, I built this. You know, I was really inspired by our conversation, yada, yada, whatever. Would you want to be a part of it? Hey, I got this offer. I got this opportunity. I would love to help. The goal here is to get about 10 to 20 people into the offer. And once they're in, you can work with them. You can get them results. You want to get these initial buyers in to just build some momentum, and you're testing. No one in his broad audience at this point knows that there's an offer. He is just testing. And you want to learn about the objections that they have, the problems that they have in there, work out the kinks of the program, work out the issues of everything, get your sales pitch down based on what these people are saying, and then you're finalized. Then you're ready to go. And then you can hard launch this to your audience, and you don't burn your audience in the process. You soft sell it. And let's say it didn't work soft selling it. That means your hypothesis was wrong and you need to go back to the drawing board. This is how you build an offer without taking on a bunch of risk at the start without burning out your audience. So now the next thing is the launch week. It's not just a launch day. This thing is a launch week, okay? Massive action, constant pressure. It's a launch week, okay? It's not just one day. You're not just mentioning it. Some people will go out there and they'll just be like, oh, yeah, like one thread on Twitter, a post here, one email, and they're like, yeah, I launched it. And it's like, dude, you barely even tried. You posted 3 times. It doesn't even make sense. People need to see you so many times that they just say, okay, all right. I need to buy from these people because they're clearly good. They clearly keep getting in front of me, and they're speaking exactly to my pains, problems, and desires, and I want to buy from them, okay? So the original offer, we want to make as many people as possible buy from day one, okay? This is where we limit the spots. We also have an exclusive lower price for the launch. That's urgency and that's scarcity. So scarcity is limited spots. For Jake, we limit it to 20 spots, and then the urgency is if these 20 spots get filled, the price is going up. So for him, we started at $1,500 for only 20 people, and then we raised the price to $2,500 after those first 20 people. Those 20 spots were filled very, very quickly. Very quickly, okay? Now, the blast sequence. On the original day of launch, we blast everywhere. So for Jake, we had him do an email blast, a Twitter blast, and a story sequence on IG, as he had a decent-sized IG following already, and you just blast. You're just like, oh, a big thing coming. I got this. This is what's happening. Here we are. This is what the offer is if you're dealing with this. Yada, yada. Okay? I have more on how to actually launch that in my playbook. It's the first link in the description. It's free. You can go grab it. 73 pages long. We tell you all the specifics of that. Now, the subsequent days, we simply followed that playbook back from the blast sequence and hit it over and over every single day. So we added in more client results, more offer angles, more call to actions, etc. We want everyone to know this thing exists. Not everyone pops up on one day and looks at everything. They're going to take a week, and they're probably going to even take a month. It takes time. It takes applying pressure. You need to do it over and over and over again. It should look like it every single day. The final piece of this is continuation. Continuation is allowing for this hard launch sequence to be something that exists forever. And this is really what Jake needed because he had launched stuff before, but it wasn't super consistent. It didn't continue, and so we wanted to fix that. The first thing we did after we launched it and it was successful is we started to warm up his stagnant audience. This means plugging in a daily content strategy for him on IG, Twitter, email, and Discord. This video is not about the content strategy. It's about the launch sequence and really what we did for him. But we plugged that in after the launch sequence because he needed to make some money. He needed to make some money now. And we start to grow. And then all those people that are now following him, and the metric is 1,000 new followers per month, by the way, guys. If you can make $20K a month if you get 1,000 new followers per month and you have the right offer. That's it. Only 1,000 new followers per month is all you need as long as you're the right followers with the right offer. So the strategy for this daily content stuff is shared in my other videos on this channel. Again, also in the playbook. You can go grab that below. It's free. The sales strategy. For now, Jake is at the helm of selling. And the same way he put together the offer and soft launched it and worked out all the kinks, he's doing the same thing with selling. So he's selling right now. He's getting his process down. He's getting it dialed in. And then as he scales and traffic comes in, he can bring in a setter or a closer to assist him from there. That's how that works. And they'll just take over the strategy and the process that he's doing that it works so well. The system is simple, okay? As his audience grows, he pushes people to his Discord and then manages messages and CTAs there constantly to keep deal flow high. How it works for reference is the funnel is like this. You've got random people, so these aren't followers yet. Then they become followers, and then they follow you for a while, so they become a fan, and then they're a buyer, okay? And when they become a fan, this is when they're getting in his Discord, and then he starts to convert them to a buyer where the money is collected, okay? That's the sales system. But remember, these random people, he needs to get more random people in his audience because he's going to use up the audience very quickly because this is the first thing he sold in a while and the audience has been stagnant, okay? That's the funnel. Now, the back-end product, and I'm going to show you in a second visually how this works. He also built a back-end upsell product with his event business, which makes it a natural way to upsell people from his normal coaching product, buy in and increase that customer LTV massively, okay? So this back-end product matters massively for going to multiple 7 figures. Every person that I've seen that goes beyond $1 million a year has a secondary product, Almost everybody. Not everybody, but almost everybody. I say that like 90% of people. And how that looks is this. It's kind of called a bow tie funnel. So the dollar is collected here. And as soon as the dollar is collected and somebody joins the program, what happens is the process to upsell them to the next thing where a lot more money is made starts, because you want to get them results here. You want to have this touch point, and you're building rapport, you're building, your connection, and then all of a sudden they're like ready and you can pitch them. That is the back end. So the fulfillment process for that first product is really the sales process for the secondary product, where a lot more money is made and a lot more scale happens. So after we worked with him, just a few weeks, 6, he collected 27K. Sorry, that's 37K from his brand new offer. There's a renewed content strategy, and we used the offer framework to launch that new event on the back end that did 63K in cash collecting. That's all happened within the first 6 weeks of us working with him. He also has a framework and a plan for future growth and sales, which almost matters just as much as the cash collected. So before we end, if you are struggling with one or more of the following problems, like you want to start your personal brand, but you don't want to be cringe, or don't want to sell your soul for views and money, or you're not sure what to sell or how to sell it, or you're not sure what social media to start posting on and how to do it, or you already grew your personal brand but aren't making the money you want to make, or your content isn't getting the same engagement it used to, or you just feel stuck and stagnant with no direction from where you're currently at, we can help. My videos on this channel will be the perfect resource for you. My free playbook will give you the full system we used to collect 13.8 mil and grow 6.5 million followers. The link for that is in the description, is the first link. And you can also submit an application and book a call for a direct one-on-one help. That is also down in the description. You've seen our results. You've seen some of our strategy. You know this is real. You know it works. If you're in one of the above positions, we can fix it fast with either our free stuff or our paid stuff, working one-on-one together. So go below, grab a resource, submit your application. And again, I appreciate you guys being here. My name is Nick. I am the owner of Launch Socials. We make videos like this almost every single day. So make sure you subscribe and see the next one.